So we got a question from James on Facebook asking, where should I deliver my live streams?
We go live to Facebook and YouTube because that's where we feel our audience is. We went to Twitch for a while, but we found that that audience was more IRL, live kind of guys and stuff like that. So we put up this little chart that we built for you guys to look at. I want to bring this up full screen. I'm going to talk while we look at it about the different CDN, the different that we use. Facebook, number one, community building, great for discovering your content, local outreach. You know, it's a really cool thing to promote your live video in a group that you're a part of. Now, be a good member of that group. You know, participate in whatever they're posting. You know, be an active member, helping other people. But if you're involved in a group, posting that group is a great way to build traffic. YouTube is the world's second biggest search engine. Getting your stuff on YouTube is great. The main thing with your live show on YouTube is when you're done, go back in, get your meta tags in, make sure you put your keywords in so that it shows up in the YouTube search. Twitch, if you're doing stuff involving esports, gaming, IRL type stuff, or going after that younger demographic of the tween to teenager to college kid, Twitch is definitely a great way to go. Vimeo Live is something that's gaining traction now. Years ago, when we were really involved in the post-production world, Vimeo was where you went, where you really wanted to make sure you controlled the quality of your content. Vimeo really lets you have higher resolution than other people did first, plus you always got a much cleaner stream. I still feel Vimeo is great for that. Plus, they let you directly integrate, sorry about that, into a website easily. Corporate video, B2B video, definitely recommend Vimeo. And then we're putting up here churchstreaming.tv. There's a lot of different direct CDNs for the worship market. We really recommend, if you're doing church type stuff, that that's something you want to do. One of the main reasons is when we talk to pastors, when we talk to people in worship, one of the concerns is, you know, what other content could creep in from the person, you know, from the CDN that you're using, you know, be it Facebook or YouTube. They all have ad-generated dollars and stuff like that. And as a house of worship, you want to control who you're associated with. So by going with a worship CDN, that's definitely a great way to go.